I was not a part of it.
You are not.
PM is having a meeting with the coastal, I guess, coastal sarpanches and all, and MLA.
Okay. So yesterday, Mr. Michael Lobo has made a statement saying that waste management is not working properly and all.
So that is the reason CM must be having a meeting, no? So let you ask CM. CM will be able to discuss.
You are not there for meeting.
No, I was not there for the meeting.
Okay. Another issue is that the Kutpana Jetty Party epidemic spread as far as laborers and all. तुमका हाडीच्यान कितें एक्शन घेतलेलें आसा?
You just ask whoever was involved. I think Mr. Alex was involved, and Anil Kant. He must be known. I think Mr. Alex was involved.
Correct. Laborers are there म्हणून तुमका काय?
No, there is nothing from our side. Part of it.
Okay, as far as Panjim City रस्त्याचं कितें जाला? By when it will be ready?
Hopefully, I had expected that by exposition at least.
Yeah.
Because of exposition, at least the Ribanda road should be done. Now they said that it will be done. But how long is it going to take, that I am not aware.
Okay.